Suppose I tell you x squared plus y squared equal to 12. How big can x minus y be? Can it be 20 or 50? Or is there a hidden limit? At first glance, it feels like we can make numbers large. But the moment we try, we break the conditions. So the real question is, what does these equations secretly control? Instead of chasing x minus y directly, let's square it. Because squaring turns subtraction into something we can manage. X squared plus y squared equal to 12. And suddenly everything depends on just one thing, the product x times y. Quantity x plus y squared larger or equal to 0 means 12 plus 2xy larger or equal to 0. So xy larger or equal to minus 6. Now here's the beautiful part. A square is always positive. So this gives us a hidden restrictions. Xy cannot go below minus 6. That's the limit we were looking for. So why xy hits minus 6? Quantity x minus y squared equal to 12 minus 2xy. If xy equal to minus 6, then it equal to 24. We get x minus y equal to 24 square root. That's about 4.9. Not 20, not 10 or 5, just 4.9. A simple equations, a hidden boundary. That's the beauty of mathematics.